Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find people on WeChat using Seek feature. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Go to the Discover section. In the Discover section, you can see the Seek option. Tap on it to access the Seek feature. Now, hold your phone securely and give it a good shake. The app will start searching for other people who are shaking their phones at the same time. After shaking your phone, WeChat will display the profiles of the people who are also using the shake feature. You can tap on any profiles to learn more about them and even start a conversation. And this is how you can find people on WeChat using Shake feature. Thank you for watching Check My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.